So I just received my 3-pack transparent bags. They were gifted to me. I really, really love them. Let me just kind of showcase a little bit what they are. First of all, this is a mini. It's 4 by 6. This is 5.5 by 8. This is 7.5 by 10. These are really gorgeous. They feel heavy duty. This is faux leather, but it seems like a really good quality. So I really like the thickness of it. The zipper seems really good. I love how easy it zips back and forth. I love that. I love that it has this little handle so it makes a good grip. And the large one actually has this detachable little hook here that you can just hook on and be able to carry it. So I like that. They can really actually all fit in together when you're storing them. What I like about these, you can put so many things in these, whether it's cosmetic, your phone. I plan to use this with my grandchildren. When I put some little goodies in there, I'll know what I have in there. I like the transparency look because it really prevents me having to dig in to see what I have in there. So I like that. I like that I'm going to be able to take it to the pool. So there's just so many variety of things that you can use these for. And I really highly recommend these. They're really good quality. So I hope this review was helpful. Thank you.